All right, if you're watching this video, I'm sure you know how big and popular Forex trading is. It's a multi-billion dollar industry right now. And you might be like, hey, I want to make money in Forex. I want to be a Forex trader, because you probably see all these people, right? All these YouTube videos talking about trading and learning this and learning that and making thousands of dollars a day. You're like, yo, I'm into this, right? Here's the thing, right? I even was thinking about getting into Forex trading and actually learning it. And it's very interesting to, be able to learn how to trade, right? Day trade and swing trade, all this cool stuff. And one day I'll probably get into it, right? Because a lot of people are making money in the Forex trading industry. It is risky as hell, but people are doing it. It's something that you should learn. But what if you don't really want to trade, but you still want to be a part of the industry? You still want to profit from Forex trading. Well, guess what? You can. All right. And this is how you can do it and be a part of the industry and actually learn about Forex while you're making money. And the answer is become an affiliate of Forex trading programs and sites and things like that, because there are tons of Forex trading platforms out there that offer affiliate programs, right? And that's basically is where you promote these platforms, and any people that you get to join from your referral link, you're going to earn a commission from doing that. And here's the crazy part about Forex trading affiliate programs. These are huge commissions in most cases. I've seen some programs, you get $500 per referral. $500 per referral. Some of them go up to $1,000 per referral. Some are a little less, where you might get $100, $200. Bottom line is, you can make a ton of money promoting Forex programs, platforms, systems, whatever, right? But here's the thing. Here's how I would go about it if I was to do this. Still learn Forex trading, right? Learn, like, especially even if you join an affiliate program, they're going to give you a lot of material to be able to promote their system, right? So get books, right? Read the material that the affiliate programs provide. Watch videos. Actually learn the industry, right? Learn just as if you were about to trade, right? But it's a lot less riskier if you're not trading and you're just actually promoting Forex platforms, courses, systems, and so on that you feel comfortable promoting, right? You can make probably a lot more money than you could trading Forex, especially as a beginner. I mean, you can make a ton of money as an affiliate, right? So the first thing you can do is go to Google, right? And just type in best Forex trading affiliate program, right? Do your research, look at them, see what programs are out there, see what the popular ones are, see how much you can get for commissions. Boom. Once you get one or two programs, I would pick 2 platforms that you want to promote on, whether it be YouTube, Facebook, whether it be TikTok, Instagram, even starting your own blog, whatever you feel comfortable with, right? Get on those platforms and then start doing your research, learning the game, and then start creating content. Create engaging content about Forex trading. So you're actually at some point with this method, you've been doing so much research, right? You might get to the point where you're like, I'm ready to actually start trading my damn self, right? Now, if you've been grinding and you've been really working the Forex programs and learning it, you should be earning some commissions, right? From these programs. So now you actually got some money that you can actually trade with and feel comfortable trading because you got some money, right? So guys, this is a great way to earn money in the Forex industry without making any trades, all right? Now, if you want to check out the affiliate programs that I use to make money every month, check out the links in the description of this video or the pinned comment.